Take a journey through the history of the Australian accent, from its British roots to its modern-day distinctiveness. The Australian accent originated from British settlers in the 18th century, particularly from southeast England. In the 19th century, Australian gold rushes attracted immigrants from Ireland, Scotland, and China, influencing the accent. The early 20th century saw a rise in American cultural influence, introducing new words and pronunciations to the accent. Post-World War II, Australian soldiers returned from Britain, bringing back received pronunciation features that blended with the local accent. In the 1960 seconds and 1970 seconds, Australian nationalism led to a deliberate shift away from British pronunciation, embracing a unique identity. See the incredible Nissan GT-R with a custom-made, jet-powered engine that produces 1,000 horsepower, and learn about its tuning process. The Nissan GT-R is a high-performance sports car known for its speed and agility. This particular GT-R has a custom-made, jet-powered engine producing 1,000 horsepower. The jet engine is typically used in aircraft, not cars, making this mod extremely rare. Tuning this GT-R required significant modifications to its aerodynamics and cooling systems. The tuning process involved upgrading the car's suspension and brakes to handle the extra power. The result is a road-legal GT-R that can reach speeds of over 250 miles per hour. Analyzing the top 3 goalkeepers with the most clean sheets in a single season, featuring legends like Petr Čech and Edwin van der Sar. Petr holds the record for most clean sheets in a single season with 24 inches 2004-05. Edwin van der Sar achieved 21 clean sheets in the 2008-09 season, a Manchester United record. The top 3 goalkeepers with most clean sheets in a season all played in the Premier League. Czech's 2004-05 season included a record 1,025-minute streak without conceding a goal. Van der Sar's success was partly due to his exceptional distribution with a 75% pass completion rate. These defensive masters' incredible seasons were key to their team's championship wins. Let's investigate the Russian Woodpecker, a strange radio signal detected in the 1970s, believed to be a Soviet military experiment. In the 1970s, a mysterious radio signal was detected, nicknamed the Russian Woodpecker due to its repetitive beeping sound. The signal was transmitted on a frequency of 719 MHz, disrupting global radio communications and sparking international concern. The Russian Woodpecker was believed to be a Soviet military experiment, possibly a radar system or a mind control device. The signal was so powerful, it was detected by amateur radio operators and even interfered with commercial radio broadcasts. Despite its strength, the Russian Woodpecker's purpose remains unclear, with theories ranging from missile guidance to weather control. Can I navigate this crazy obstacle course while walking backwards? The concept of walking backwards dates back to ancient China, where it was used for meditation and balance training. Research shows that walking backwards can improve balance, posture, and even reduce stress levels. In Japan, walking backwards is a popular form of exercise known as backwards walking, or ako. The longest recorded backwards walk was 26.2 miles, achieved by Ashrita Furman in 2015. Walking backwards requires 20–30% more energy than walking forwards, due to the reversed motion. The brain processes visual information differently when walking backwards, making it a unique cognitive challenge. Learn how to solve complex equations using an analog computer, demonstrated with a simple example from electronics. Analog computers use continuous signals to solve equations, unlike digital computers that use discrete values. The first analog computers were developed in the 19th century to calculate artillery firing tables. Analog computers are particularly useful for solving differential equations, which describe complex systems. In electronics, analog computers can be used to design and optimize filters, amplifiers, and oscillators. Analog computers can solve equations much faster than digital computers for certain types of problems. The simplicity of analog computers makes them an accessible tool for students and hobbyists to learn from. From Category 5 hurricanes to massive blizzards, we'll take you on a journey through the most extreme weather events on record. The world's largest snowflake fell in Montana, measuring 15 inches wide and 8 inches thick. The highest temperature ever recorded on Earth was 134 degrees Fahrenheit in Death Valley, California, on the 10th of July, 1913. Hurricane Patricia, in 2015, was the strongest hurricane ever recorded, with winds of 215 miles per hour. The deadliest tornado in history occurred in Bangladesh in 1993, killing over 1,300 people. The largest hailstorm on record occurred in Bangladesh, with hailstones weighing up to 1.9 pounds. The longest-lasting drought on record occurred in Atacama, Chile, lasting over 400 years. Understand how Barcelona accumulated a massive debt of €1.2 billion and what it means for the club's future, including player transfers and investments. Barcelona's debt crisis began with reckless spending on player transfers and wages. The club's debt skyrocketed to €1.2 billion, making it one of the highest in football history. Lionel Messi's massive contract, worth €555 million, contributed significantly to the debt. To reduce debt, Barcelona must sell players, including stars like Frenkie de Jong and Ansu Fati. The club's financial struggles may force them to abandon their famous La Masia youth academy. Barcelona's debt crisis could lead to a decline in on-field performance and loss of global prestige. Discover the brightly colored frogs that can kill with a single touch, like the golden poison dart frog, which is native to the rainforests of Colombia and can be toxic enough to kill 10 adults. Meet the golden poison dart frog, one of the deadliest frogs in the world, native to Colombia. These brightly colored frogs get their toxicity from the insects they eat, which store poisonous chemicals. The golden poison dart frog can be toxic enough to kill 10 adults with just one touch. Indigenous tribes used these frogs to poison their hunting darts, hence their deadly reputation. Some poison dart frogs are vibrant colors, like blue, yellow, or red, warning predators to stay away. There are over 200 species of poison dart frogs, but only a few are highly toxic. Explore the science behind Earth's structure, debunking the hollow Earth theory with seismologist Dr. Bless. The Earth's interior is divided into several layers, including the crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. Seismologist Dr. Lucy Jones studies earthquake waves to understand the Earth's internal structure. Earthquake waves travel through the Earth's interior, providing clues about its composition and density. The speed and behavior of seismic waves reveal the Earth's core is liquid and iron-rich. Hollow Earth theories ignore the massive amount of seismic data collected from earthquakes worldwide. The Earth's mass and gravity measurements confirm a solid, not hollow, planetary structure.